The goal of Chan Zuckerberg Science is to help the scientific community cure, prevent, or manage all diseases within our children's lifetime, or by about the end of this century.
I'm a pediatrician. To increase the limit of what we can do to really care and make sure children aren't suffering and are able to live happy, fulfilling lives, we need to make sure we invest in science.
Most of the big breakthroughs that have happened through the history of science are not done by a single person, right? They're done by groups of scientists either working together or working separately and sharing data, building tools to push the whole field forward. If you can make those connections happen faster, then you take progress that might have taken 10 or 15 years for people to make those connections, and you make that happen now. One of the things that the Chan Zuckerberg Initiative has done is built up a world-class engineering team that can partner with people to help build tools that the whole scientific community can then use to go work on these different diseases and make a lot more progress than what has been possible before.
We spent the past couple of years talking to scientists all over the country, and that has pointed us towards Corey Bergman as someone who is phenomenal in leading this work.
What I'm really excited about is getting together with the best scientific minds and coming up with plans to really develop the transformative technologies to build the networks of science to solve the important problems. I really view Chan Zuckerberg Science as an opportunity to move the needle, both in terms of the advances we make in science and in terms of the way that science is done.
Two of the things that Chan Zuckerberg Science is doing are bringing scientists and engineers together and giving them the resources to build tools to empower the whole rest of the scientific community. And those are two of the big cornerstones of the first major project that we're doing, the BioHub. It's a partnership between UCSF, Stanford, and UC Berkeley.
Baked into the design of CZI Science and the BioHub is access to software engineering teams and a level of expertise in computer science that most academics have never had access to before. If the tool doesn't exist, you're going to build it. If the software doesn't exist, you're going to write it.
We think the benefits of this work are going to help an enormous number of people. Treating diseases which were previously uncurable, new vaccines. It's going to change the way doctors treat people and the way people interact with the healthcare system.
The mission of Chan Zuckerberg Science is being innovative, bringing together engineers, physicists, chemists, physicians to be able to solve hard human health problems.
We asked a lot of leading scientists, is it possible within our children's lifetimes to cure, prevent, and manage all diseases? And to our surprise, a lot of people think that this is something that is not only possible, but I think that that'll be one of the most important things that our generation leaves for the next generation.